Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we have seen what is AI, what is generative AI, and why we should learn AI. In this video, we will see about a very amazing job role called as AI power user. AI power users are people who effectively uses AI. If you effectively use AI tools and AI models in your daily tasks, then you are an AI power user. AI power users are also called as prompt engineers, and there is huge demand for prompt engineers. There are a lot of jobs for prompt engineers. As every industry and every organization is adopting AI, with that, every professional also today needs to adopt AI. Whether you are a doctor or an engineer or a teacher, you have to learn AI and adopt AI in your field. You have to use AI models and AI tools, AI techniques in your daily tasks. If you do that, then you are called as AI power users or also called as prompt engineers. If you become AI power user, you can save your time and energy. You can become more creative, more productive, and efficient at your work. Now, very important, who should become Gen AI power user? Every working professional and student who wants to learn AI, adopt AI, and grow with AI should become AI power users. If you want to automate your tasks, streamline your workflows, become more productive, creative, and efficient at your work, at your daily tasks, then you should become AI power users. No matter which background you belong to, whether you are a computer science student or a non-computer science student, whether you are a teacher, content creator, or a doctor or an engineer who has nothing to do with computer science, still you need to learn AI. Still AI can help you. If you become AI power user, you can also build your career out of it. You can get hired as prompt engineer, and there is huge demand for prompt engineers as we discussed. So overall, every working professional or students should learn AI and become AI power users. In the next video, we will show you how you can become Gen AI power user without coding, without writing a single line of code. You can become AI power users. In the upcoming video, we will give you a complete roadmap. Thank you.
Subscribe for more content.